Okay, I said that you and all living beings are like nozzles that focus energy into work that regenerates the nozzle. Here I'll explain how that works and started at the origin of life. Not quite a nozzle. See, a nozzle is a durable, imposed constraint that prevents energy from spewing every which way. You're not an imposed constraint, but an emergent constraint. Picture threading your way through a congested crowd and in your threading causing others to thread around you. The congestion simplifies into flows, people filing through by paths of least resistance. That's emergent constraint. Not some imposed durable channel that focuses energy, but the way that constraints emerge in large populations of interacting things. Emergent constraint explains all sorts of phenomena, whirlpools, chain reactions, crystal formation, but also fads, snowballing, and the rich getting richer. Emergent constraint, sometimes called self-organization, is a newish scientific discovery. Some think it alone explains life. It doesn't, and that crowd shows why. It's not regenerating itself. Rather, it speeds up degeneration. People file out. No more crowd, no more emergent constraint. The crowd is like a nozzle made of sugar. The energy passing through degenerates the nozzle. Still, a self-regenerating nozzle can emerge when you get two such emergent constraint processes regenerating each other. Picture it like two nozzles made of sugar pointed at and spraying sugar on each other. Each nozzle gets eroded by sugar water passing through, but each also coats the others outside with sugar, regenerating one another faster than they would otherwise degenerate. So how would it start at the origins of life? I'll spare you the details in this video, but picture this: a chemical chain reaction that generates more chain reaction molecules plus molecules that self-organize into hard shells. The shells capture some of the chain reaction molecules, holding enough of them together that when the shell breaks, they restart the chain reaction, thereby regenerating more reaction molecule. Closed and protecting, open and regenerating, that's a likely candidate for the origins of life. Simple enough that it could emerge by accident from simple chemistry. And what is it? Two emergent constraint processes that channel energy into work that prevents each other from degenerating. The chain reaction regenerates shells. The shells keep the chain reaction molecules from just dissipating. These two emergent constraint processes are means to each other's ends, or more to the point, means to prevent each other from ending. In other words, self-regenerative nozzling. Once it emerges from chemistry, you've got evolvable things, since only things that regenerate themselves evolve. Nearly 4 billion years later, here you are, with all sorts of emergent constraint dynamics accumulated throughout evolutionary history. You are many energy-focusing processes that regenerate each other, preventing each other from ending, generation after generation. So what are you? Not something added to matter, and not just the matter itself, but the way your emergent constraints focus energy into work that regenerates your emergent constraints. More details in other videos and in my new book, Neither Ghost Nor Machine, The Emergence and Nature of Selves. Thank you for focusing your energy here with me, and may the focus be with you.